To the car. Back to the car.
I was never in my
Back
car.
To the car.
I was not.
Put you in handcuffs.
Do not put your hands on me. Do not put your fucking hands on me.
Not free to go.
On the 14th of September, 2023, in an undisclosed jurisdiction in the United States, an officer made a traffic stop for improper passing.
Inside your car. No, get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Ma'am.
I was never in my
I just saw you get out of the car. Me too. Nope.
What do you
Back to the
want?
car. Back to the car.
I was never in my
Back
car.
to the car.
I was not.
Put you in handcuffs.
Do not touch me.
Walk back to your car.
Do not touch me.
Walk back to your car.
Do not touch me.
Walk back to your car.
I'm not scared of you.
I just want you to get out of your car.
Call another officer. I'm not
I will.
leaving.
Walk back
I'm
to your
not
car.
leaving.
Walk back to your car,
okay,
please.
call another officer.
Walk back to your car,
call
please.
Another officer.
Walk back to your car, please.
Okay, my
That's all
car's
I'm
right
asking
there.
you. Walk back to your car, please.
My
That's all
car's
I'm
right
asking
there.
you, okay?
My
Let's walk.
car's right there.
Come on.
My car's right there.
I understand that.
My
Let's
car's right there. My car's
I'm gonna
right
put you in
there.
handcuffs.
You're not touching me
I
because
will.
I'm not detained. I
will.
was never pulled over. I'm not stupid.
I just
I'm not
stopped you
stupid.
right there for improper
no, you
passing.
did not.
Improper
and don't
passing.
spit in my mother face.
This is not going to go well for you.
Do not put
Come
your
on.
hands
Walk
on
back
me.
to your car.
You wanted to be in that sweet girl with can. Don't put your hands on me.
Walk back to your car, please.
Don't put your motherfucking hands on me.
I'm just asking you to walk back to your car.
Walk back to your shit. Don't
We're
put
right here.
your hands
Walk back
on
to your car,
me.
please.
Do not
Walk back
put
to your
your
car,
hands
please.
on me. Do not put your fucking
Can I
hands
come here
on
for
me. And I know you just fucking heard me. Don't put your hands on me. I can run off and do whatever the fuck I want to do.
Elementary, please.
With your dumb ass.
Come back here.
Shoot a bye. Do not fucking run up on me. You ain't pull me over.
Yes, I did.
No, the fuck you didn't.
Give me 41. Have him step it up, please.
You did not pull me the fuck over.
Get
the
back
fuck
to your
away
car.
from
No,
me.
come on.
Don't put your fucking hands on me. Do not
Get back
put
to your
your
car.
fucking hands on me. Help! 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 Help!
Get back to your car.
Help!
Get back to your car.
Help! Help!
I got a female screaming.
Help! Help!
Get back to your car.
Help! 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 Do it.
Negative. I
Do
was on a
it.
traffic stop. Yep.
Help!
Non-compliant.
Help!
Get back to your car.
Help! Help! Help!
Get back to your car.
Help! I need help!
Get back to your car.
I need help!
Back to your car.
Help!
Back to your car.
Help!
Back to your car. Back to your car.
Don't touch me.
Get back to your goddamn car. That's what I'm asking
No,
you right now.
no,
Let's go.
don't.
You're going to be in
Don't
handcuffs. You are going to be in
touch me.
handcuffs.
If
You're going to
you
be in
touch
handcuffs.
me,
What?
I'm going to beat your ass.
No, you're not. Okay.
How am I getting handcuffs? I did nothing.
I stopped you on a traffic stop.
You know what beat your ass mean? That mean going in a canoe. Why you bothering
What is
me?
it? Because you were improperly passing and I stopped you. You hopped out of your car and you're not listening.
I'm already on my car. How you pull me over?
Because I stopped you and I watched you hop out of your car. That's what's happening.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I'm not going to argue with you. Walk back to your car.
Don't touch it. I'm
Walk
getting
back
on
to
the
your car.
sidewalk.
Walk back to your car. You are not free to go. You are not free to go. Do you understand?
Don't put your fucking hands on me no more.
You're not free to
And
go.
I am free to go, you.
No, you're not.
I'm not stupid.
You're not free to go. You're not free to go. You're not free to go. You are 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 not free to go.
Put your fucking hands up! On the ground. On the ground.
What do you want?
Roll
On
over.
your stomach. On your
do you
stomach.
want?
On your stomach now.
I can't get on my stomach.
Okay.
I'm on a concrete.
Stop.
Come on.
I'm
Relax.
on a concrete.
Okay, on your stomach.
I can't get on my
Lay
stomach
on your
on a
stomach.
concrete.
Lay on your stomach. Stop. On your stomach.
I can't lay on,
On
my
your stomach.
stomach.
Get one.
I can't lay on my stomach.
Drop your phone. Drop your
You
phone.
can have the phone.
Let go. Give me your arm.
Can someone give me the
Give me
arm?
your arm.
Arms behind your back.
Give me your arm.
Get your arm back here.
I am right next to Fox Chase.
Hold on.
I can't
95.
get out. I can't get out.
Stop.
You're not
I
moving.
can't get out.
You're done.
Out of what?
Stop.
Just stop.
I can't get out. I can't get out.
Yeah, you're not getting
Oh my
out.
God, I can't get out.
Stop.
I can't get out.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I
Relax.
can't get out. Officer, you are white hunky. Now what? Size up behind.
Stop moving.
Keep thrusting.
Do you have anything illegal on you?
Your mom's dildo.
Throw it to the one side. Matt, you want to pat her down, make sure she doesn't have anything.
Make sure the lady does it before I beat your ass in the middle.
Stop.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do it.
I just can't. Can you ask me questions? Do you see the hair in my face? What do you do? Get the hair out of my face so I can see you.
You don't need to see us.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe with the hair in my face. When you get can you see
I got you. I
okay, then move.
All right. Let's go.
Search. I just told you I came from yoga, stupid. Do you see pockets? You see black.
Stop.
You're now I'm done. Stupid $1,000 bag. Put your head in it. Put your head in it, like I said.
Just be done.
Put your head in it, like I said. And I dare scratch.
Do not kick.
I dare scratch. I dare scratch. I dare scratch. I dare scratch. I dare scratch.
All right.
I dare scratch. Getting pulled over on the ground. Which one? Can't wait.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about.
She's good. She's got
so
nothing.
excited.
Good? All right. We're going to stand you up.
Can you be cool if you stand up?
Oh my gosh.
There's a pipe right by you.
Oh, my stomach.
All right, roll to your side.
Oh my gosh.
Roll to your side.
Sit up. Sit up on your butt.
I can't do it. My stomach.
Stand up.
Oh, I can't do it.
Okay, hang on.
I'm gonna need an ambulance. No,
bring your
I
knees.
can't do it. I can't do it. I'd rather
All right,
sit.
just stand up. Stand
Please get him away from
right,
me.
stand
Only
up.
the
That's
woman
fine.
officer next to me.
Okay.
Get him and them
Stop
away from me.
yelling.
Please.
Stop yelling.
Can you please get
Stop
them away from me so I can
They
stand
gotta
up?
be here for me.
You, please.
Leave her on the ground unless
Please, can you tell them to just go?
Breathe. Breathe.
Excuse me. I can't breathe. Can you put? They have hit me.
Do you want an ambulance?
Can you tell them to move aside so I can stand up? Can you tell them to move aside so I can? I'm in someone's driveway.
You put yourself
I work across the street. You 5 fat. Can you please tell them? I can get up.
You're not doing that.
Oh, okay. Just, you got a light too. Oh, okay.
Stop.
Can I get on my knee?
No.
I just told you I
You're
came
gonna
from
stand on the
working
ground.
out.
Sit down.
I hear you. Okay. Just give it a second.
I thought y'all were just trying to help me up.
No, we're gonna stay on the
Oh,
ground
okay, so
now.
you are stupid.
It's probably a better idea to sit down.
Can you do a citizen's arrest on a cop? It depends on how quick they get here though, right?
But
Okay. Shut your ass up with your white car. You like disrespectful talk, but you're a police officer. Okay.
I don't think I've said anything disrespectful.
Oh, okay. You engage with it. I'm not married. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm having a hard time. They're calling the ambulance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, everyone in the neighborhood where I teach at has heard a young black female yell for help. What happened? You don't even know. You just out here causing a scene. That's f***ed up. Little kids look up to shit like this. To be a cop like you. You see my fat ass stomach? I'ma have one of them kids.
Are you saying that you're pregnant?
I'm saying that you're doing a good job holding me down, sir. Thank you. What's your name?
Mark Cusick.
Thanks. I want to know what was their improper stop. Where'd he go? You know, I have parked my car, have my keys, and walked down the street. They all have cameras. Everybody got cameras. So why he just try to detain me? Everybody has cameras.
Yep.
Why did he just put his hands on me? You got a lady in her car over there, people right here. I don't need a paramedic. Everybody has cameras. I was out of my car and walking away. The police officer threw me on the ground and I yelled for help. Everybody within 5 miles heard me yell for help. Everybody got camera. So it don't matter how mad I am. You don't never put your hands on me if I'm not detained. I know the law. I'm not saying I teach for no reason, you stupid. It's justice. A ticket or I'm going to jail.
well, you're going to
Oh
jail.
yeah, you're going to
Oh
jail
my
now.
God, no. Why?
yeah.
Why am I going to jail now?
Because you fought with the police.
I did not. I have video of me walking away before he got out of his car. What are you talking about? I did not fight with the police. He waited for you to get here. What are you talking about? So how am I fighting with the police if
What are
I'm
they
on the
dealing
ground?
with? What are they dealing with?
How
over
am I fighting with the police if I'm on the ground?
there? Okay, can you come?
Because everybody knows a black girl's on the ground. I gotta go to jail. I got a fucking Portillo selling in these people. Are you guys gonna clean that shit up? But I gotta go to jail? For what?
Her phone real quick, all that stuff.
I was quiet when the other guy pulled up and he threw me on the ground. I have video footage of this shit. I told him I was walking home. I pulled over because it was improper passing. I'm yelling for help. I know everybody on this fucking block. Don't kneel on my shit. You don't know nobody. I know everybody on this block. I walk from school. This is my route. So we causing attention to the right shit. That's all I know. Thank you. That's my shoe, sir. Yes. He kicked my shoe off. And she put her hands down my pants. Yeah, I'm okay. And to check me, she put her hands on my buttocks. So I'm okay.
We just want to make sure you don't have any injuries or nothing like that, okay? That's all
Did
it
he
is.
tell you how
It's
I got
just a
pulled over?
precaution.
I'm not talking to you. I can't talk to two people at once. Do you respect that?
Yes, I do. I apologize.
It's not the bottom of anything. I was just told I was going to jail. In my black ass mind, I would be like, damn, I'm going to jail for what?
You live over this way?
You went all throughout my purse, my glasses, you touched my ass. You don't know if I live out this way.
That's why I'm asking.
So where was I walking to? To the school?
I don't know. I just got
So
here
where was I
after the fact.
walking to then? I don't know how he even found me.
Do you live over here?
I've worked out twice today for an hour, been very busy. I'm confused why I'm getting detained and pulled over. I'm quiet. Furthermore, I have nothing else to say. I have a mental disability. I am depressed. That's all I'm telling you. I want to go home. That's all I'm telling you.
That's not my department, ma'am, okay? I'm here to make sure that you are medically okay. The police, whatever you have going on with them tonight, has absolutely nothing to do with us. We're here.
You can leave.
So you do not want to go to the hospital? Okay.
It's either hospital or jail. I don't have to go to the hospital. Bye, sir.
Yeah, that's fine.
Does he want me to go? Please ask him who pulled me over. Does he want me to go to the hospital?
It's up to you. Do you have any injuries
I was
or
okay
anything?
walking home with my salad after not eating for 2 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so I don't.
I'm just talking about
I've been saying the same narrative. Nothing has changed, and you still seem like you're asking me questions.
I'm asking a different question, okay?
No.
Do you have any injuries?
No. The narrative has not changed.
Okay.
Thank you. And I only say because I am from Masuga, so you should know that, right?
I don't know who
So
you
you
are.
didn't look at my ID. You
No,
didn't talk to the arresting
I
officer.
personally didn't yet,
The
no.
officer doesn't know if I'm from Oswego, but he pulled me over, and I ran away.
He might. I don't know.
Okay, so this is a lie. Where is your marshal? Is he here?
We don't have
Where's
a
your
marshal.
sheriff? Not marshal. Where's your sheriff?
Our sheriff is probably
Can
at
you
home.
please call him?
We have a supervisor if you
I
want to
want
talk
the
to him.
sheriff because what
We-
you just told me.
The sheriff's probably not going to come
What
out
you
right
just
now.
told me to not align. How don't you have my ID and know where I'm from, but I'm on the ground obstructing justice? That makes no sense.
Miss, can I ask you a quick question?
Yes, sir.
I think it's your dad over there. Does he, do you want him to take your vehicle?
The hero could have the vehicle.
Have
yes.
it? Okay, well,
That's why I left it, so I could walk home. I have no gas.
we won't execute a bill of sale just yet, but I'll let him know that he can take the vehicle.
I was
okay?
going to safety. That's why I left it there. I wanted them to drive it. I wanted to keep working out and walking home. It's like a mile from here, sir. Why couldn't I do that? It's literally you pushed me in the driveway. Why couldn't I walk home? I can't. Why couldn't I walk home? So I'm on the floor. So at this point, it's inequity. Okay? It's not inequity. It's unjust. Yes, it is. How is my actions just? I say in Oswego. You're the one I want. Anyways, why you got me on the ground? Should I put my shoes on, man? Because you keep saying or no, and it sounds
can if you
very,
want
very
to.
weird. Did I want to get on the ground? Yes or no? Did I want to get pulled over? Yes or no?
Do you want your shoes?
Can you help me put my shoes on, man?
Of course.
When you weren't here, they went down my pants and touched my ass. I have nothing on me. I'm a teacher. Ask some kids across the street when they go to school to sell their teachers some shit for me to have something. How about that? I don't know where we're going. Which car? There's 12 cars. Where do I go? This one right here. Okay. You did your job. Good job. Just know how I look at you and everybody else does, though. That's why you got the camera on. You see what I'm saying?
No, I don't.
I know you don't. Be a cop. Can I get in or stay like this? What do I do?
Secondary.
Do I get in or do I stay like this?
Just stand right like that.
One more time.
Okay.
Can you spread your
I
legs
have
out for me,
time to
please?
put eyeliner on too. Do I go like this or
Ma'am,
Just
can you
stand.
spread your legs out for me?
Normal.
what do I spread my legs out for? I'm not understanding. What do I do?
Just spread
Hold
your
on.
legs.
Is this okay?
Just put her in.
I don't know what to do. How do I get in? I've never.
Just sit down. Just sit down. Exactly like that. Thank you. You're doing
Get
great.
in here like this?
Yep.
Under the thing?
Yeah, exactly. And I'm going to put your seatbelt on for your safety, okay? Right here. Just so you know, everything in here is recorded, okay?
Close the door.
Everything is audio and video recorded, okay?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. If his fat ass heard the door, why wouldn't he look and say, do you need help? Excuse me, can you please move the hair
off the seatbelt, I can't breathe because it's fake hair.
You see what I'm saying?
I'm
I have
moving for you.
asthma. I can't breathe with it in my face.
I'm moving for you, okay?
Thank you. That's what he did when I was on the street. He just looked.
Here, I'm gonna move it for you, okay?
Okay,
Behind
now
your
you
back,
get it.
okay? Oops, sorry.
Oh, see how hard it is, right?
The driver stopped, then stepped out and walked away. The encounter escalated into a use of force and several criminal charges. This is a focused legal analysis of what the law actually required. A traffic stop is a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. A lawfully stopped driver is detained and is not free to walk away. Under Wen versus United States, 1,996, any observed traffic violation justifies a stop, regardless of the subjective motive of the officer. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, 1,977, lets officers order occupants out of a vehicle and control their position during a lawful stop. So a belief that a person is not detained or free to go is a misunderstanding of the law, not a defense to it. Heibel versus 6th Judicial District, 2004, holds that refusing to cooperate during a lawful stop can itself support an obstruction charge. And in many states, a direct threat paired with the apparent ability to carry it out can amount to criminal assault. The force used is measured by Graham versus Connor 1989, which asks whether the force was objectively reasonable to a reasonable officer on the scene. In Barnes versus Felix 2025, the Supreme Court unanimously confirmed that reasonableness is judged on the totality of the circumstances, with no time limit. That means earlier conduct, flight refusal of lawful commands, and a verbal threat all become proper context for the force ultimately used. After a lawful arrest, United States versus Robinson 1973 permits a search of the person, although the manner of that search must remain reasonable, and a same-sex search is best practice. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 2001, confirms that officers may make a full custodial arrest, even for a minor fine-only offense. The lessons are clear. For a driver, the lawful remedy for a stop you believe is wrong is to comply, document, and challenge it later in court. A sincere but mistaken belief about your rights is not a legal shield, and resisting can turn a simple citation into felony charges. For officers, prolonged prone restraint and repeated statements that a person cannot breathe demand prompt repositioning, because the totality of the circumstances now governs every action before and after the use of force should be documented, since all of it will be reviewed.